Negative 9 plus 9 gives 0. Then this becomes 0 times 9 over 9. And this becomes 0 over 9. And this gives 0. If this is your way of solving this question, then you are wrong because the answer to this is not 0. You don't solve this way. You use the PEMDAS rule, which says that multiplication and division appear before addition and subtraction. So that means we are to multiply first.
Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where we break down tricky math concepts into clear, step-by-step lessons you can understand in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
So let's solve by writing it this way. We have negative 9. We are to keep this. Then we have plus 9 times 9 is 81. Then we have all over 9. This is the same thing as saying bracket negative 9 plus 81 then divided by 9. You know this way you solve what you have in the bracket before you divide. So that means we have to solve the numerator. We have to simplify the numerator before we divide it by 9. So negative 9 plus 81 is the same thing as saying 81 minus 9 then over 9. And 81 minus 9 gives what? That is 72. And then we have 72 over 9. 72 divided by 9 is 8 because 8 times 9 gives 72. Now go through it again to be sure that you understand my explanation. And now for me to be sure that you understand, try this and leave your answer in the comments.